Hello watcher and subscribers. In this tutorial we will see use of operator in programming, and we start with the basic operator, that is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is mostly used to perform logic or to show the mathematics related operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So it's a basic operator in programming, and we will see how you can use this operator for performing mathematical operations. So now here we start with the coding. When the flag is click, and for performing operation, as you know, we have to take the help of variable and operator. So here I am straight away taking three variable. So here we have created three variables. Okay, so their initial by default values are 0, and now we have to assign these variables. So set a. So here I am taking variable a as usual, it's okay. Then here b, and a value I am going to assign with 10. B value I am going to assign with 5. So here the A value is 10, B value is 5. You can assign any value according to your convenience. Okay. So whenever you perform the operation, A value will be 10 and B value is 5. So it will be performed like that. So here you see, as you know, the property of variable, their value get changed during the execution. So A is 10, B is 5, C is still 0. So now here we have to perform addition first, and after that we will show in the output. So here you can see, in programming point of view, this is the input part, and for processing part we have to take C, variable C help. So I am taking variable C, and now here it's a time to use operator. So I want to perform simple addition first. So that is what the operator can be plus, minus, here multiplication and division. Four operators have been given. So that is what the arithmetic operator we use. This is the operator plus, and here both the side we will use variable, and that value will be assigned to C. So C will show the result. So here ultimately we have to put the variables like A and B. So going to variable category, here my variable A will be there, and here B. So the meaning is C equal to A plus B. So here the answer should come 15. You see C is showing the value 15. So ultimately we are performing here which operation? Addition. If you want to show this value in text message, then you simply put this message here, and you have to take the help of join. So in the operator category there is a join. You have to just put here, change this text C equals 2, and then C equals 2. Here you have to put variable C. So it will show the value of C for 2 seconds. You just see C is 15. So our answer is correct. 10 plus 5 is 15. You can put any values here. And after that, as you understood now addition, now here we will going, you can use the other operator also. This is the subtraction. So I just put it here, A and B, and that you have to add it here. Now it is 5. The values have been changed. So in this way you can do for other operator like multiplication is there. In multiplication there is a use of star. So we just have to put here, we don't want this. So this is what multiplication. So it is 50. Same way you have to use it for division. So in this way you can place it there. So now this sign is for division, this slash is for division. So 10 divided by 5, so you have to calculate, it will be 2. So in this way we have used all the operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division. So it's your responsibility, you have to just practice all the operator, and in the program we have captured all the arithmetic operator, and it is used for performing various mathematical related operation. Whenever you perform any logic, that time we mostly take the help of arithmetic operator. Then in the next tutorial we will see the here next operator, that is known as relational operator. After that we will see next category, logical operator. So thanks for watching this tutorial.